Welcome to my channel! Hello kids! I'm your teacher Zell. Welcome to Day 1 Reviewer in Science 3 for the first quarter, the examination. Our learning objectives are: Number 1. Identify objects, activities, or natural events observed in their local environment that can be explained by science. 2. Participate in guided science activities by asking questions and tinkering with materials. 3. Describe the uses of various science equipment and materials used in simple activities such as ruler, hand lens, scissors, balloon, modeling clay, and cardboard. 4. Describe different science process skills used in performing simple science activities such as observing, predicting, and measuring using units such as millimeter, centimeter, and meter. 5. Describe the physical properties of solid materials such as hard, shiny, or stretchable. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! Read each question carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. How can you describe a chalkboard eraser using your senses? A. It is sweet, cold, and shiny. B. It is slippery, loud, and tastes salty. C. It is smooth, light, and smell dusty. D. It is colorful, hot, and smell like flowers. What is your answer, kids? Correct answer is letter C. Good job, kids. Next, for number 2, which sense help you describe the sound of a ringing classroom bell? A. Sight. B. Taste. C. Touch. D. Hearing. What is your answer, kids? Correct answer is hearing. Next, for number 3, you see a bird nest on a tree near your school. What is a good scientific question to ask about it? A. Is the nest made of gold? B. Can the nest sing a song? C. Does the nest taste sweet? D. What materials did the bird use to build the nest? What is your answer, kids? The correct answer is letter D. Good job, kids! Next, for number 4, which best describe a classroom blackboard? A. A small wooden box that holds pencils. B. A colorful chalkboard for sticking papers. C. A loud electronic device that plays music. D. A smooth dark surface where teachers write with chalk. What is your answer, kids? Good job! The correct answer is letter D. A smooth, dark surface where teachers write with chalk. Good job, kids! Next, for number 5, which of these is the best observation and question about a school activity? A. The teacher is writing on the board. Why does chalk make white marks? B. The principal is in the office. Is she a superhero in disguise? C. Students are eating lunch. What magical food tastes the best? D. The clock is on the wall. Does it have feelings when we watch it? What is your answer, kids? Okay, the answer is letter A. Good job, kids. Next, for number 6. You notice ice cube melting in your glass at home. Which explanation is scientific and identifies the proper sense use? A. The use disappeared. The ice disappeared magically. Sense of hearing when I wasn't looking. B. Heat from the room changed the ice to water. Sense of sight and touch. C. The ice got tired of being cold. Sense of taste and turned to water. D. Invisible fairies' sense of smell melted the ice with their wands. What is your answer? The answer is letter B. Heat from the room changed the ice to water. It is sense of sight and touch. Good job, kids! Next, for number 7. What made the hard-boiled egg spin longer compared to the fresh egg? A. Its eggshell is harder. B. Its content are solid. C. It was cooked longer. D. Its yolk. What is your answer, kids? Of course, the answer is letter B. Its contents are solid. Next, for number 8. If you use salted egg instead of hard-boiled egg, how will it behave when spun? A. It will not spin at all. B. It will spin like a fresh egg. C. It will spin like a hard-boiled egg. D. It will spin more slowly than the fresh egg. What is your answer, kids? Alright, the correct answer is letter C. Good job, kids! Next, for number 9. Which characteristics is most important when making a sample of clay float in water? A. Color. B. Shape. C. Hardness. D. Roughness. What is your answer? Yes, it is letter B. Shape. Next, for number 10. If you use a long pencil instead of ruler, how would it behave when plucked? A. It will not vibrate. B. It will produce a sound. C. It will make a very loud sound. D. It will make a very high-pitched sound. What is your answer, kids? Alright, the correct answer is letter B. Next, for number 11. During a science activity, Maya uses paper clips to measure her pencil. What is she demonstrating? A. Applying non-standard measurement correctly. B. Measuring temperature with a thermometer. C. Using standard measurement with a ruler. D. Using hand lens for observation. What is your answer? Of course, the correct answer is letter A. Good job! Next, for number 12. Which of the following can be used to observe closely tiny creatures like ants and plant parts like pollen or flower petals? A. Hand lens. B. Handspun. C. Kitchen tongs. And letter D. Toothpicks. What is your answer, kids? Okay, the correct answer is letter A. Good job! Next, for number 13. You want to find out how tall your chair is. Which of the following will help you best? A. Crayons. B. Scissors, C. Handspan, D. Paper clips. What is your answer, kids? Okay, the correct answer is letter C. Next, number 14. Think about the ping pong ball and the marble. Which characteristic is the same for both balls? A. Color, B. Size, C. Shape, D. Hardness. What is your answer, kids? Alright, they are both circle, round. It's letter C. Shape. Next, number 15. Which of the following parts of your body is unique? A. Your arm length, B. Your thumb print, C. Your hand span, and letter D. Length of your leg. What is your answer, kids? The answer is letter B. Your thumb prints. Good job, kids. Next, for number 16. Which science skill involves using the senses to gather information about an object or event? A. Predicting, B. Observing, C. Measuring, D. Classifying. What is your answer? The answer, kids, is letter B. Good job. Next, for number 17. What unit is most appropriate for measuring the length of a pencil? A. Millimeter, B. Centimeter, C. Meter, D. Kilometer. What is your answer? The answer is letter B. Centimeter. Number 18. When you say the plant will grow taller if given more sunlight, you are A. Observing, B. Measuring, C. Predicting, D. Inferring. What is your answer, kids? The answer is letter C. You are predicting. Good job, kids. Next, for number 19. Which tool is used to measure the length of an object? A. Ruler, B. Thermometer, C. Balance scale, D. Beaker. What is your answer, kids? Of course, measuring the length, it's letter A. Ruler. Next, for number 20. Why is it important to use standard unit example centimeter and meter inches measurement? A. To ensure consistency and accuracy, B. To make experiment faster, C. To avoid using tools, D. To guess the result. It's letter A. To ensure consistency and accuracy. Next, for number 21. Which of these measurements is correctly written for scientific recording? A. The leaf is short, B. The leaf is about 5 cm, C. The leaf is 5 cm more or less, D. The leaf measures 5.0 cm in length. What is your answer? The correct answer is letter D. The leaf measures 5.0 cm in length. Next, number 22. A student group rocks into smooth, rough, and jog. What skills is this? A. Predicting, B. Classifying, C. Measuring, D. Observing. The correct answer is letter B. Classifying. Next, for number 23. What makes you say that an object is hard? A. They don't bend, B. They squish, C. They break easily. D. They change their shape. It's letter A. They don't bend. Next, 24. Which material is an example of being stretchable? A. Ceramic plate. B. A rubber band. C. A bricks. D. A glass window. What is your answer? The answer is letter B. A rubber band. Next, for number 25. Which of the following is not example of hard objects? A. Wooden desk. B. A glass marble. C. A fluffy pillow. D. A steel hammer. What is your answer, kids? The answer is letter C. A fluffy pillow. It is not example of hard object. 26. How can you tell if an object is shiny? A. It feels rough when you touch it. B. It reflects light clearly like a mirror. C. It makes a loud noise when dropped. D. It changes shape easily when squeezed. What is your answer, kids? It's letter B. An object is shiny when it reflects light clearly like a mirror. Good job, kids! Next, for number 27. If an object is not shiny, what word could we use to describe it? A. Dull. B. Soft. C. Stiff. D. Hard. What is your answer, kids? The answer is letter A. Dull. Next, for number 28. Which objects did not become bright when shone with light? A. A polished metal spoon. B. A piece of black coal. C. A clean glass mirror. D. A glossy white tile. What is your answer? Good job, kids! It is letter B. Next, for number 29. What are the basic uses of shiny objects? 1. To absorb and trap light, making areas darker. 2. To reflect light and improve visibility, mirrors safety signs. 3. To decorate or enhance appearance, jewelry, metallic finishes. 4. To create frictions for better grip, sandpaper. And 5. To signal or communicate, mirror for heliographs, reflective coating. A. It is 2, 3, and 5. B. 1, 4, and 3. C. 1, 3, and 4. D. 4 only. What is your answer, kids? Of course, it's letter A. 2, 3, 5. To reflect light. The basic uses of shiny objects is to reflect light and improve visibility. 3. To decorate or enhance appearance, like jewelry's metallic finishes. And 5. To signal or communicate, mirrors for heliographs, reflective coating. Good job, kids! And last, for number 30. Which of the following is an example of shiny object? A. A polished gold ring. B. A piece of charcoal. C. A rubber eraser. And letter D. A wool sweater. What is your answer, kids? Of course, it's letter A. Good job, kids! Now, these are the answer key for our reviewer number 1 to 30 items.